In Mesopotamia, there lived a man who exulted, namely Noah, or the meaning rest, calm, or consolation. He has a great faith, patience, willing to walk with God, diligent, and have a strong leadership. Noah lived with his family, his wife, his 3 children, Sem, Ham, Japheth, and his 3 sons of love. In Mesopotamia, there are many bad people full of sin. So that God punished them with sending a flood. One day, God said to Noah that Noah has to build a big ark, 300 cubits long, 50 cubits wide, and 30 cubits high. Wow, that's so big! Of course, Noah built the ark in a high mountain. Even though people loved Noah, and loved Noah, day by day, month by month, and after years. And the ark finally finished. God told to Noah, enter the ark with your family and animals. Heavy rain on 40 days and 40 nights. The flood drowned all. Only Noah and his family in the ark who was survived. When the water was recreated, Noah released a dove and a crow. First, a crow returned with nothing. Second, the dove returned with an olive tree. And third and last, the dove returned with the dove didn't return. That means the water was recreated. After a long wait, Noah was waiting for the God's word. And finally, God's word came again, so that Noah can come out of the ark. One seasoning has passed and one seasoning will begin. God promised to Noah to bless Noah and his descendants. God made a covenant not only for Noah but to all of us, and given us a sign, namely rainbow. Rainbow. Ladies and gentlemen, that's enough of the story we can tell you. So now, what we learn from Noah? That we learn from Noah is obeying God's command, how important to be grateful, patient, and steadfast, and how Lord protect and love us, not only when God speaks, but only to walk on strongly. For more details, we can read on Genesis 6 until 9. Thank you for listening. God bless us.